Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy pair of earrings. Now today we're making the fun tassel earrings. So these are really fun. They feature a lovely little earring post and then this beautiful fan component, and these are both by TierraCast, and then we're going to be adding our little tassels to the bottom. Now today we're going to be using the very simple technique of opening and closing jump rings, and that's the hardest part, because we have these great little tassels that have these little caps and the little loops at the top. So these are already pre-made and ready to go for us. Now you can of course choose a varying pattern like I've done with my gold version here, or you can go for a really striking look and follow along with my silver version here where I chose 5 of those red tassels to give it a really striking look. So I do have a couple of other colors here, and we do have some gold and silver caps. So just choose your favorite color or color combination and you'll be ready to get started. So for this, I'm going to be using 2 pairs of chain nose pliers, and these are wubbers. They're baby wubbers actually, so they're nice and small. So all we're going to do is we're going to take those jump rings, and they have a little seam at the top there. So we're just going to gently twist with our pliers to open them up. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to loop it onto that little fan, and then I'm going to loop on a green tassel to the end there. And then very similarly, I'm just going to close that up. Make sure it is nice and flush. We don't want to lose our tassels. All right, and then continuing on, we're going to do that again, just kind of twisting gently to open that jump ring, looping on a blue tassel, and looping it onto our fan. Now I'm using 5mm 21 gauge jump rings for this, and that'll give us a nice little swing to those earrings. You can use a 5mm 20 gauge, but you'll have a little bit less swing when you do make your earrings, so just be aware of that. I recommend the 21 gauge. All right, here we go, one more. And I just love how they're starting to kind of fan out, and they're really going to dance when you wear them. So they're really a fun pair of earrings. And because there's so much movement, I didn't want to put on a regular sort of earring hook. I wanted to give it the stability of a post. And you can see that on the back of that post there, and I'll show you just in a moment, I have that sort of bullet clutch, and that's going to provide that extra security just to make sure that you don't lose your earrings. All right, so my last tassel here, and you can attach the jump ring to the tassel first or to the fan first. It's entirely up to you, as long as it gets on there. All right, nice and flush, there we go. All right, so now I have the main component of my earring all finished and ready to go there. And now I'm gonna add on my earring post. So just again, open one more jump ring. And now I'm going to slip it into the loop that's at the top of that fan and slip it on to the loop at the bottom of the earring post. And just close that up. All right, so there we are. We are all done, and it's that quick and that easy to make these pair of earrings. And trust me, you'll want to make them in a bunch of different colors. Now I do want to point out a little quick tip from me to you. You can see that one of my tassels here, he's a little kinked. He will relax as you sort of wear with him. So just give him a little bit of love, just kind of pat him down and he will be good to go. They'll kind of relax. So if you've gotten your package and some of them are a little kinked, don't worry, that'll happen and that will fall naturally. All right, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button below, and you can find all of these and even more beautiful jewelry supplies, tutorials, and videos at Beadaholique.com.